So here's how you can add favorites in the Safari on your iPad. And let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. At first, you have to open up the Safari, of course, and when you click on the option for your new tabs or all of the open tabs, you have to click on the side panel, and this lets you see some different things, right? And of course, you can tap on the bookmarks, and this is where you can find the favorites, right? So I have the favorites indicated by the star icon, whatever. This is how I can access them. But in order to add things to this favorites folder, I have to at first open up the website, just make sure it loads up fully, and then next to the URL bar, the text of the website at the top, I need to click on the button, which is this like rectangle with the lines. I can click on that, and this gives me the ability to perform some more actions. So I click on the three dots within here, and then I have the literal ability to add it to my favorites, which is as well indicated by the star icon. And that's how I can add it to my favorites folder for the website, right? So it is part of the tab action. So you can also just add it to general bookmarks folder, or you can also add it to the reading list, which is yet another way to save the website for later. Or you can as well just pin the tab, which just means that it doesn't get closed with all of the other ones. So yeah, there are more ways how you can save the website for later. The favorites option is very useful because it's possible to just open up the new tab and see the favorites right here. So yeah, let me know if you managed to find it on your iPad. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe for more videos and tutorials like this one, and I'll catch you later.